There are a couple of different shows that I would really like to help cultivate here on Hits 92.3. So we've gotten a couple of new shows and they're great. They're great. Y'all make sure y'all check those shows out. But a long time ago, about a year ago, we had a credit repair type show. And that show helped me. I don't know about you guys and if you were paying attention, but that credit repair show helped me out so much, like big time. It's things that I'm doing today and yesterday that are absolutely because of the person having that credit repair show. So, if there's somebody else out there who would like to help people out with their credit,